Most people think the only way to make money on YouTube is AdSense. Honestly, that's probably the slowest way that you could do it. In fact, there are actually five different ways to make money on YouTube in 2026 and beyond. Some can make you just a few $100. Some can replace a full-time income. And one of them actually changed my life completely. The crazy part, the one I'd recommend, doesn't actually require you to have thousands of subscribers at all. It doesn't require you to have millions of views. And you definitely don't need to become the next Mr. Beast. Thank goodness, because I don't have $10 million kicking around to give away to anyone for some crazy prizes. So, g'day, first of all, my name is Mark Whiteley. And on this channel, I help everyday people build recurring affiliate commissions using just one traffic source, just one recurring offer in just 60 minutes of just simple focused work. And if you'd like my exact roadmap on how to do this for yourself, I've put together a free 0 to 10K simple success roadmap. You can see the link in the description below. Just go ahead and grab that. It's 100% completely free for you. Don't make the mistake by clicking away just yet, because the number one method that I'm going to share with you is the one that I wish someone had shown me years and years ago. So let's go get into it. Let's do number 5 first, which number 5 is brand deals. Now, this is probably one everybody kind of dreams about, right? Companies literally paying you just to talk about their products. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But here's the thing. There is a problem with this. Most people think, I'll just start a YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and get heaps and heaps and heaps of subscribers. Then brands are going to come pouring in and run to me and ask me to promote their stuff. Yeah, well, that's not quite how it works. Brands don't actually buy subscribers whatsoever. They buy trust. Okay, so if you don't have that, you don't have a way to use brand deals. Now, I'd rather have 1,000 people who genuinely listen than 100,000 people who couldn't care less what I have to say. Think about that for a second. Let's say you owned a coffee shop, for example. Would you rather advertise to 50 locals who buy coffee every single morning, or 50,000 people who live on the other side of the planet and have no interest in buying a coffee? Exactly, right? Makes obvious sense. See, trust beats numbers every single time. But here's the one big downside with sponsorships. You're waiting for somebody else to pay you. You're relying on brands, and I don't know about you, but I prefer to be in control here. Which brings us to number 4 on our list. And this one is a lot more interesting, right? So number four is sell your own stuff. Now, don't panic. I'm not saying you need to build some giant course worth sort of 10 grand or anything. It could be a simple checklist, like a template, an ebook, or a mini course, or a community, anything that solves one specific problem. Now, here's what I love about that. You just build it once, and then you can sell it again and again and again, and so on and so on. It's a bit like, building a digital rental properties, I guess. Every product that you go ahead and create has the potential to keep paying you long after you finish making that actual product. Pretty cool, right? But here's the catch with that. What if you don't have a product, or you don't want to spend weeks creating one, for instance? That's where most people get stuck. Luckily, there's another option, which brings us to number 3, and that is YouTube ad revenue. That's the one that everyone talks about. That's the one that, I don't know, kind of looks and sounds really amazing. Now, don't get me wrong, like, AdSense is great. I'm not here to bash it in any way whatsoever. Getting paid while people watch your videos, I mean, that's cool, right? That's pretty damn awesome. But here's what most nobody tells like any of the beginners out there. AdSense should be the bonus. It should not be the business model. Because before you can even get YouTube to pay you any money at all, you've got to actually qualify. You need enough subscribers, enough watch hours to really get the monetization and achieve the monetization requirements. Then, even when you get there, how much you earn really depends on your niche and how many views you get. Now, someone talking about, for instance, finance, they could earn 5 or 10 more times as much as someone who's like doing gaming videos, for instance. Same numbers, same number of views and everything, but a total different income. That's why I think chasing AdSense alone can pretty much feel like you're kind of trying to fill up a swimming pool, for instance, with like a teaspoon, right? Can you do it? I mean, you could. Crazy. You sure? You could do it. Is there a faster way? Absolutely. Absolutely. So here's a quick question for you, right? How many of you actually clicked on this video thinking, AdSense would be the number one thing? Now, be honest. I'm sure there's a lot of you. Now, I would have too, right? A few years ago, I mean, I would have thought that would be the the gem, the gold. And that's exactly why I wanted to actually make this video, because there are much, much smarter ways to use YouTube to make money, right? By the way, if you are actually getting some cool value from this, I want you to go ahead and grab that free 0 to 10K simple success roadmap, which is going to show you exactly how I keep things ridiculously simple with one traffic source, one recurring offer, one system, no shiny objects, no overwhelm, just super simple, not trying to juggle like 12 different side hustles all at once. And you could get that down below. Now, we've covered 3 ways to make money on YouTube, but the next 2, they're where things can get really, really interesting for you and extremely profitable. One of them can actually replace a full-time income in a very short period of time. Even if you've got like a very, very small audience and you don't have subscribers or anything like that. And the final one, well, that's the method that completely changed the way I look at YouTube and making money from YouTube forever. So let's get on to number 2. And this one is massively underrated. And this is called selling services. Now, before you switch off thinking, I don't actually have a business, I can't do that. Hang on, because almost everybody has a skill. Maybe you're a personal trainer, a plumber, a photographer, a copywriter, a coach, for instance, like a web designer. There's many of different things you could be, like an accountant. Whatever it is, it really doesn't matter what it is, because people are already searching YouTube every single day looking for someone who knows how to solve their problem. That's the bit most people miss. They think YouTube is a social media website. YouTube is not a social media website. It's in fact a search engine. People don't come here to kill time generally. They come here looking for answers, need to solve a problem. Now, your job isn't to convince people that they actually have a problem. They already know they've got one. Your job is even easier. It's simply to be the person that has the answer their questions. Think about it. Just imagine a 6-lane highway. You have millions of cars, driving past every single day. You don't need to be the highway, for instance. You don't need to create the traffic, for instance. You just need to put up a really kick-ass sign. That's it. That's what your videos are. See, every single video is another sign pointing towards your business, pointing towards your service, your solution. One good client could be worth more than an entire year of AdSense, for instance. Now, here is the funny thing. What if instead of selling your own services, you recommended somebody else's services? Now, this is where the magic happens. And now we're actually talking here. All right. And this is going to move us on to number 1. See, the number 1 way to make money on YouTube in 2026 and moving forward is affiliate marketing. When I first started trying to make money online, I admit I was kind of like all over the place. I tried, this business model, then another one. I'd watch another guru tell me, this is the best way to do things. I'd buy another course. I'd start something. I'd quit something. I mean, does any of that sound familiar? I'm sure it does. See, I wasn't actually building a business. I was just collecting a whole bunch of business ideas, a whole bunch of courses that I really didn't know what to do with. Then I discovered YouTube and honestly thought, this is it. I'm just going to get heaps and heaps of subscribers. I'm going to get like a crap ton of views and I'm going to make money on AdSense because that's what people say it's really cool. And it works, right? Simple. Also, I thought so. Then somebody introduced me to affiliate marketing after I failed miserably at the other ones. At first, I kind of didn't really get it. I remember thinking to myself, hang on, you're telling me and you mean that I don't even need to own my own product? No, you do not, right? You mean I don't need to have worry about like customer support? You do not need to worry about customer support. And I don't need to have like thousands of subscribers. Nope, you totally do not. Or it honestly at the time, it kind of felt really way too simple. Okay. Until I gave it a try. And what happened was kind of amazing. So instead of chasing views, I started solving problems. Instead of like trying to entertain everyone because I can't dance, I started helping somebody. Right? And that's really all I did. Everything kind of changed for me. And in fact, I went on just recently, I made $61,000 in just a 3-month period, right? Just for doing exactly what I'm talking about. So I stopped worrying about going viral. I stopped obsessing over like subscriber numbers. I stopped checking my analytics every 5 freaking minutes, like they were going to actually magically change it in some way. Instead, I focused on creating videos around problems that, people were already searching for. And then what I did, instead of like sending people straight to an affiliate link, for instance, instead I invited them to download a free resource, just like I have mentioned with my free 0 to 10K simple success roadmap that built my email list, right? And this is where things get really cool and really exciting. Your email list, that is in fact your asset, all right? That's your asset because you own that. Algorithms change and platforms change and social media stuff, that always changes. Your email list stays with you forever. Then inside those emails, you simply go ahead and do what they ask for. You recommend a product that is going to genuinely help people, not some terrible random products, not anything that'll pay you a commission, for instance, products you'd actually recommend to your own family. That's how much you must believe in that product to help those people because you want to help people. And here's the part that most people completely overlook. Don't just chase these one-off commissions. I mean, they're good, they're great, but recurring affiliate commissions, that's where things get really, really exciting here. And I'm talking like getting paid every single month. So you're not starting at zero. Things like software, memberships, subscriptions, communities, all those kind of things. Products that people are continuing to pay for month after month. So you help somebody once, the commissions can keep coming in every single month. Or maybe you even promote quality mid-ticket offers. They're really good too, where you can earn like $500, $1,000, $2,000. And that is really quite exciting because now you do not need hundreds of sales. Just a handful can completely change your entire month or your outlook. And that's when I realized something. YouTube isn't actually the business. It's just the traffic source. The business is the relationship you build with your audience. The email list, the trust, the solutions you actually recommend. That is the game. And here's the best part. You do not need to be the world's biggest expert at anything. You don't need to know everything. You simply need to know just a little bit more than the person who's watching your video today. That's really it. That's enough to help someone. That's enough to build that trust. That's enough for you to get started. So if you remember one thing from this particular video, here's what I want you to remember. Don't chase 20 different business models. Don't listen to 50 different freaking gurus that are going to just confuse you. Don't keep starting over every single Monday or every month. Just pick one traffic source, which I recommend YouTube. Pick one recurring affiliate offer or one mid-ticket offer. Build just that one email list and then just help one particular audience. Then repeat it week after week, video after video. Because here's what I've discovered. Simple businesses always scale. Complicated ones, plus they're confusing and hard to set up. So if you'd like me to show you exactly how I do it, well, I want you to go ahead and I want you to grab my free 0 to 10K simple success roadmap. Remember, it is completely free and the link is in the description. It's the first link in the description below. Now, if you've made it this far, I've got another video that I really think is going to help you out. And I really think you're going to love it because now that you've learned the 5 ways to make money on YouTube and that number one way, the next logical step is learning how to create another income stream that works alongside it. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to click on the video. You'll see the video popping up on the screen right now. And this one's going to teach you how I made the $61,783 in just 90 days selling digital products. And it's just not using TikTok. It's not using Instagram. You don't have to dance. All right. I'm going to show you exactly how digital products can fit into this simple business model without relying on Instagram, TikTok, or the latest shiny object. Once again, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.